Hello, this is just a quick tip for those of you who sometimes need to emboss tiny things. It can be a real pain having to try and hold a piece and score it if it's small. So I took a piece of fun foam, as you can see, and I layered 3 or 4 pieces together, glued them together, so that now, well, my focus is going nuts. Now, all I need to do is put my tiny little piece on, take my bone folder, line it up however I choose, give it a quick press, and as you can see, it turns out absolutely perfectly scored. It's a lot easier than trying to hang on and maneuver everything in one piece. So I hope this helps everybody or somebody, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.